Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sassy Sisters, and today we had to go to school in 2 days, so we decided to shop and lunch. So, what I got is this shirt, which is very cool. I got it on all of these clothing I got from Children's Place. This horse, shirt with a horse around it. I love it so much. Love it, love it, love it. And this costs $10.50 each. Yeah. No, I don't think so. I'm just checking the receipt. What was that? Never mind. Let's just say it's $10.50 each. So, yeah. So our next is I got this owl shirt that has this love, and this is called $10.50 again. Now I got these boot cups, which is for me. Oh, and I forgot the price. This costs $19.50. It's $20 for these pants. What else I got is this girl. I really like it. It's adorable. And this cost is $11.99, which is $12. And this one is $11.99, which is $12 again. This one, that says love. I really love it too. So, yeah. What now is this girl with her cat, which this costs $10.50 each again. It's pink. And this little pants for my little baby sister, Pamela. And this costs $7.99. Well, I still remember that this is now $4. This is my sister's pants. This is Jenny. This. Oh, and I forgot. This cost is $19.95, which is also $20. This is $10.95, which is $11. This shirt, I really love it. Really love it. I love it. I picked it and really love it. It costs $14. Oh, actually now it's $11.99, $12. I got this shirt. This pants. It's really pretty. I really love it. Love it. Love it. It's mine. This cost is $12.95. Yeah. Okay. And that's all. And in total, they costed $51.76. So yeah. So I hope you enjoy your happy shopping. I really like. I hope you really like the video for back to school clothes. Oh, and I almost forgot. These shoes belong with it too. See? Shoes. And my sister's shoes. Sneakers. Now it's time to put them. So, bye! I hope you enjoy this week's video.